Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful day. We're back out on Georgian Bay, and today we're back out now on the switch. I got my family with me for this video. Guest appearances by my father, my daughter, and her boyfriend. So we're just out here on Georgian Bay. We're out just off by the islands. Mainland's back over there. You've probably seen videos where I talk about these islands. So today we're just gonna go for a family cruise, and we figured we'd take you along with us. So yeah, we're just gonna start out and see where we get to and go from there. So come along with us for this day. There's gonna be a little bit of filming while we're on the switch here. So hope you enjoy the video. Let's get going. So we're just coming to the point of Hay Island here. I think we're gonna go rip down the all right. Hey guys, we just made it to the point of Hay Island here, so I think we're gonna rip down the west side here because it's absolutely looking glassy. So yeah, look at this, beautiful. All right, let's rip it down that way and see what we can do. Okay. right, guys, hope you enjoyed that drone footage. It's so fun to get along that shoreline there. Such a beautiful shoreline, looks almost Caribbean. So we've reached the northern end of Hay Island, and what I think we're going to do now, is just the way the winds are going, is we're going to cut across to the mainland and kind of follow the mainland back, go down in towards Wiarton, and make our way back and call it a day out on the water there. So, but what I love about it is you can see it goes from really deep to really shallow right up here. So that's why he's got like a flag marker and everything there. So this is where your charts come in handy. I don't know if you guys can see it yet, but you'll see it goes, you'll see how deep it gets and then goes shallow here in a second. But yeah, fun little run, a little bit of what would this be, northeast wind kicking up. So we're gonna head back towards mainland and see how things look there. But you can see it comes up, and then hopefully it'll show up on camera here. All of a sudden, shallow. So, all right, we're gonna head that way and make our way around. So, let's go. Crazy, you can find these eroded shorelines here with like red clay, and some geese taking off. Ducks, mallards, what kind of birds are those?
Mergansers.
Mergansers. I was close. Nowhere close, but well, they're ducks. I was right there. All right, so we're just making our way towards Wiarton right now, but just stopped here for a quick little minute, maybe have a quick little bite to eat, and just enjoy this absolutely beautiful shoreline we got here. So yeah, we're gonna keep making our way into Wiarton, and then we'll come back around the south shore and see what we get from there. All right, catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, well, we've made it a little bit further in town. We're going to just look at some wrecks that were sunk on purpose. Let's see if we can get close to them here. So there's one, don't do anything crazy. There's one right here, and then the other one's right here. So we'll just go ahead and have a quick look. Alright, now just go straight. Oh, jeez. Not too bad. All right, we're gonna keep our, all right, not bad. Pretty cool to see. It's nice in the summertime because you can like snorkel on it because you're so close to shore. And there's a dock right there. So you just swim over or walk along the shore and you come out and snorkel. So just outside of Wiarton. So we're gonna head further into Wiarton. I think there's still one more wreck we might be able to go over. So let's keep this trip going. Alright guys, well we've made it into Wiarton. This is the Wiarton Harbor right here. Already got quite a few boats in for the season. And then the main government docks just over here. We'll swing by there in a second. But yeah, nice little harbor they have down here. You can get gas here. And then you can pull up there. They've got a lot of, there's a boat ramp over there, public ramp. When they do the fishing tournaments, there's like a fishing cleaning place. So nice. Nice catamaran right here, look at that. That's not bad. So, all right, we'll keep going.
Here's somebody's house.
All right, guys. Well, we've had a quick little stop here at the launch here in Wiarton. They've really fixed it up nicely. It's quite a nice launch there. So we're gonna start making our way back out and making our way back to the launch that we started at. So let's head out and keep going.